Samsung TV volume stuck, not going up or down, or mute not responding, even in apps and live TV. In this video, I will show you simple and safe ways to fix the Samsung TV volume issue and restore normal sound control. First, let's start with a quick fix that includes a soft reboot and a power cycle. Make sure the TV is turned on, then press and hold the power button on your remote or on the TV until the Samsung logo appears. Once you see the logo, release the button and let the TV restart. If the volume is still stuck after that, turn the TV off, unplug it from the power socket, and wait for 60 seconds. After 1 minute, plug it back in and turn the TV on. This helps clear temporary software glitches and resets the TV's memory, which often fixes volume issues. Next, let's check the physical buttons on the TV itself. Use the volume buttons on the side or back panel of the TV and see if the volume changes from there. This step helps you figure out whether the issue is coming from the remote or from the TV. Now, let's move on to resetting the remote control. Take the batteries out of your Samsung remote and wait a few seconds before putting them back in. After inserting the batteries, try using the volume buttons again. If you are using another device remote, reset it or disconnect it, and then test the TV volume. After that, let's turn off the smart or intelligent features on the TV. Go to Settings, open General, and then find Smart Features or Intelligent Mode. From here, turn off the Smart Hub-related features. These features run in the background and can sometimes cause the volume to freeze. Now we'll reset the sound settings on the TV. Open Settings, go to Sound, then select Expert Settings and choose the option to reset sound. This clears any corrupted audio settings that may be causing the volume to get stuck. Next, let's clean up the apps installed on the TV. Press the Home button, go to Apps, and open App Management. From there, delete any unused or preloaded apps that you don't need. Too many apps can overload the TV's memory and lead to issues like volume control problems. After that, it's important to check for a software update. Go to Settings, open Support, and select Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Software updates often fix known bugs related to volume issues. Finally, if nothing else works, the last option is resetting the Smart Hub. Go to Settings, then Support, open Self-Diagnosis, and select Reset Smart Hub. Enter the default PIN, which is 0000. This will log you out of all apps and reset the Smart Hub, so use this step only if all other fixes fail. That's it for this video on fixing the Samsung TV volume stuck issue. I hope these simple step-by-step fixes helped you get your volume controls working normally again. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy TV and tech fixes. If you have any questions or one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.